We're going to move into Trinidad, and we want to introduce to you a gentleman by the name of Chris CAINES. He's got two hot tracks out for the 1990 Carnival season. One is called Looters, and it looks at the situation in Trinidad and Tobago during the incidents of July 27th to August 2nd. Need I say more what that incident was all about? And he came from the view not so much of the uprising, but of the looters, the people who really did the damage, so to speak. He also has another one called Bacchanal, a more party tune in the Soca vein, and that's the one we're going to play for you here on CultureShare. Enjoy.
I get weary, I feel in my belly, rolling like a thunder. The feeling gets stronger. It is only then I remember. Sometimes I just got this bacchanal feeling. And when I get it, I feel like that feeling. Oh, my Lord, never had an explanation for this bacchanal sensation. All I know that when they grip me, I cannot resist the temptation to get and go and join the flow in the bacchanal like a party animal. And when you see I start to shake with the rhythm in the waist, massing the place. When you see I start to sweat through my life, oh, you know I soaking wet, take the shirt off my back, man, hold it high, wave it in the back. My head does be spinning, and my body does be trembling. I just feel for Soca to carry me over. The feeling gets stronger, compelling me to surrender. Sometimes I just get this bacchanal feeling. And when I get it, I feel like that feeling. Oh my Lord, never had an explanation for this bacchanal sensation. All I know that when it grip me, I cannot resist the temptation to get up and go and join the girl in the bacchanal like a party animal. And when you see I start to shake with the rhythm in the waist, massing the place. When you see I start to sweat, oh my Lord, don't you know what's so big? Wet, take the shirt off my back, man, hold it high, wave it in the back. Oh my Lord, oh. regardless sensation. All I know that when they grip me, I cannot resist the temptation to come and go and join the club when the back and I like a party animal. And when you see I start to shake with the rhythm in my waist, mass in the place. When you see I start to sweat on the Lord, so you know what's up in wet, just the shirt off my back, man, I hold it high, wave it in the bed.
Nice track. I love the way that one ended. And we can look forward over the next couple of weeks to see lots of calypsos coming out for Trinidad and Tobago 1991 Carnival season. Well, after that, we spoke with Mr. Chris CAINES about his plans for the future. This is what he had to say.
Well, Don, I am at this moment, soca is really a form of relaxation for me. I love this music very much. I've been very attentive to some of the greats that are ahead of me and whatnot. But for the future, I would say I will continue to write. I write my own materials. I will be writing and definitely will be producing records in the future, definitely.
There is a definite advantage with putting the message in soca as opposed to CAINES, which is the slow beat, and you tend to get the message across when you sing it in soca, even though with a fast party beat. And you say you'll be continuing to sing soca in the years ahead. How do you see the change from the CAINES, where you had the slow social commentary, into soca, where even though you have the social commentary, you can get it into a party beat? How do you see that has affected the art form?
Well, actually, I think the soca, when the soca came on, it was more or less, if we could say, a crossover music per se, so that we can get the calypso on a broader spectrum, I would think. The younger folks, I think, tend to go more for soca because it does have that party beat and whatnot. And then, as you said, we can put the messages behind this this music, this party beat, and yeah, I think it is very very successful.
What about the diehards who just want to stick to raw calypso?
Well, as you can see, if we do listen to some of the artists out there, we have that mixture in the music. For the diehards, we will try very much to bring back some of the calypso beat, as it's sort of present in my next song, which is Bacchanal Feeling. We try to mix the present soca music with the old-time calypso, especially the horn lines. It's more or less the old calypso type of music.
We'll be right back.